Welcome everyone back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you the Simply Sliced, Stack and Quilt. It is simple as that. It's a one-day project. You will get this done so fast. There's no borders for this one. You're going to enjoy it. Let's get started on the Simply Sliced, Stacked and Quilt. The pattern link is in the description box down below. After selecting all of your fabrics and cutting them into the required sizes, the next objective is to simply just lay them out. So let's quickly go to the layout options so that you can decide on which one is the best. Share with me down below which layout you prefer, layout 1, 2 or 3. Alright, so this is the first layout here. As you can see, I laid it out as I explained before. So you have like that, so 2 down and across, there's horizontal, vertical, etc. All the way through, I've laid it out as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 down. So 7, 6, 7, 5, 35 blocks here all together. Okay, obviously I didn't use a whole layer cake for this one as yet anyway, because the quilt is not completed. Right, so what I'm going to do is try and move this around a little bit to see what else I can get from this. Alright, so this is another layout. So what I've done is try to get like a little twisty action here, there, and to the top there. Hopefully you can visualize it there and see what I'm playing with. It looks alright. I kind of prefer the other one. I'll try another layout and see what do you guys think, what I get, but let me know what you think, guys. I'm not too in love with this one. I prefer the first one so far. I use a darker fabrics to get that crisscross reaction there, but it's okay. I'm not so much in love with it. Love the fabrics, but not so much in love with this particular layout. Let's try one more time and see what happens. Alright guys, so this is the third one. What do you think about this one? I kind of like this one. So what I have done here is put both dark fabrics together and the lights together. So you have the 2 darks there, 2 lights, 2 lights. Where I had only 1 dark left, I just left it horizontal. So I have 1 individual one there and I have another one up here. So yeah, 1 there and 1 there, but because they're same colors I can't put them together obviously. So I obviously have more of the green darks than the blue. Nevertheless, it looks fine. I do like this layout actually, but I'm still in favor of the first one to be honest, but this one looks nice. I just cannot believe how quickly this quilt has come about. It is so beautiful, feels so soft. One thing I love about when you quilt large meandering is that your quilt is so much more soft rather than it's being stiff when you do a lot of quilting on it. It is so gorgeous. I love the movement of the fabrics on the layout. I chose layout number 1 and it's just beautiful. I did went back in and use the same fabric here for the binding. Right? This is a day project and trust me, I know you're going to love this. You can make this in a day, guys, literally. It is simply, as I said at the start of the video, slice, stack, and quilt. That is it. You can even use line quilting for this beautiful project. Let's look at the back. Just a simple blue fabric all over with small florals on it. And you can see the quilting here. I use white in order to match the flowers. And on the front, I use a semi-darkish brown, or lightish brown, I should say. But it's come about very beautiful. A lovely quilt. It measures 54 inches squared. As I said, the pattern is in the description box down below. And you can make one yourself. This pattern is also available to the channel members free of charge, obviously, because you are channel members. So if you'd like to make it, by all means, jump on the description box down below and order yourself a pattern. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It's a short one, I know. I've got a beautiful quilt feed that I'm working on for Saturday. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. I'm still quilting it and every time I have to stop and look at it, it's so beautiful. So I'll see you on Saturday. Bye for now. Happy quilting and make one. It's beautiful quilt. A quick day project. Bye for now, guys. See you in the next one.